This is not life size. Look at that.
Yeah, you're way taller than that.
Yeah.
You're way bigger than that.
Way bigger.
Okay.
Oh, sinner.
I almost lost my leg just there. All right, we are out here today with Mr.
JD Sanchez.
and
Bane Duncan.
And we are here for the world's highest vert air ollie.
Yeah, biggest air.
So this came from a Mr. JD Pills. No, sorry, P. Dills.
P deals.
P-D-I-L-Z left a comment on the highest air on vert challenge video, and he said, you guys should do this again. And I said, yes, I agree. So here we are. So, and I think the thumbnail said 7 feet. Do you got 7 feet?
I think you got
Nah,
7 feet.
maybe. I don't know.
Do you got 7 feet?
I think I got that now.
Do you got a t-shirt?
I do got a t-shirt.
Who's that?
MF Doom.
Leave it in the comments below if you like MF Doom.
Rest in peace.
All right, so how do we do this? You guys Rochambeau to see who goes first?
Hey, I go first.
Okay, Justin Daniels
I'm
is
gonna
first.
try to do every single foot in this round, even 8. Start 1.
Start with
2.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this one run.
Yeah, I think so. I think I got it.
Okay.
I don't even know if I could do 1. I feel like that might be the hardest one.
He literally just said, I don't know if I can do 1 foot. I think that's gonna be the hardest. What a jerk. Just kidding. Okay, that was like 2. Maybe.
2, definitely.
2?
I don't even know what I meant.
That was 4?
Should I start going?
5? Yeah. 6? 5?
I'm so tired I couldn't go higher.
Okay, so they're saying the lowest part of the board is where they measure from. But what if you do like a Christ air and you hold the board high?
That's why the method air became a thing.
Really?
From the board up higher just to get higher on the highest air.
Don't do it.
On the method, the highest air, boom. Okay, well I think you got that.
Yep.
No problem.
So,
You want to do the drop in or the roll in, or you're gonna roll it in?
Aaron, how high do you think you could air?
Well, replay the video of me rolling in on this real fast, thank you. This is nothing. Yeah! That's how high.
So
Straight
like
to the floor.
Negative 13 feet?
Negative 13 feet.
Whatever you like.
Ding, ding, ding. Man, I want to get in on that. Ooh, I think that was a solid 5 feet. Whoa! 7?
See, that's what you
I cannot tell from here.
That was 6.
Gabriel Horacio Iglesias Cruz says it was 6.
7 right here. Let's go.
I don't know, can't tell.
Yeah, you got it.
Oh my goodness.
8?
Whoa,
Yeah.
I'm so dizzy, bro.
That was 7.5.
Really? Damn.
He's just getting warmed up. Look at that. Big bird. See that bird?
4 foot.
I cannot believe I rolled in on this. What was I thinking?
Get it, Bane.
Lay down.
too low.
Yeah, boy.
Get it going.
No way.
I don't even know what that was.
Holy.
What was that? Aaron?
You're above?
We need the slow-mo. That was 8 for sure, the second one.
Yeah.
Third one I think went above. Ooh.
Oh, just barely.
Yeah. We're clocking in. The final air was about 8.73 feet.
8.73.
Alright. I'm gonna try to do the highest one I can and then just try to kickflip Indy after. Cause might as well. Ah! Holy crap. higher than that one. That one's for sure.
Definitely. That air was like 9, over 9 for sure.
Leave it in the comments below if my filming is just so exceptional. I think it's so bad.
I noticed on like this high air challenges, sometimes the air before is way higher than the actual one. I want to reach the sky.
Come on, Bane,
Touch
7
the sky.
feet.
Come up in the spot looking extra
We have
flat.
a celebrity.
Whoa!
Thank you.
Yeah!
What is that, 5.5?
6. We're thinking we're clocking in Bane at a solid 6. So last time we did this at the Braille house, we think JD did 7 feet. I think the measurement on this is maybe a little more accurate. Let's play a clip from that old video and see what we got the highest air on that one and see if we bettered it this way. That was 7. The one before the one you bailed was 7. All right, tell us everything.
So that was scary.
Leave it in the comments below if Justin Daniel Sanchez is getting better.
I think you got
I'm
10.
still trying to warm up and see how the cobwebs are doing. There you go. That's good. There you go. Yep.
Look out, doggy.
Yeah.
What was I at?
That was so floaty.
Oh my god, dude, my ribs hurt from tweaking.
What just happened? Can the kid chill out, please?
What you thinking, AK?
He needs to relax.
Something nice. Oh, I almost missed. No! Gotta be kidding me.
Highest air to flat.
He high hairs over 9 feet, lands a flat. It's a solid 22-foot drop.
There he is. Let's see how high it goes. And, ooh, yeah. Yes, sir. Wow. I think that was over it. That boy good.
Maybe go into it with a different mentality. That is a freaking horse over there. Aaron, I just want you to know that your roll-in was one of the single greatest memories of my life.
The single worst memory of mine. Hey, Gabe.
Right there, brother!
Was that 10? That was at least 10.
Crazy.
That had to be 10.
I felt like I was Superman.
Okay, that's what you gotta do in Tampa.
So Danny's watching back the slow-mo video. We got all 3 of them looking, and I hear him say, that is 10 feet. If Danny says it's 10 feet, it's 10 feet. Because he don't play games.
How's it look in the fisheye, Aaron?
It looks great. My filming's great. Leave it in the comments below.
All right, so I think that one was for sure 10 feet.
So we've got it documented. We think it's a for sure 10 feet.
I think my goal now is we still go high, but try other tricks while
Yeah.
going high.
Pick a
That's what I
different
want to do. I want to try to do a high kickflip bendy, try to do a high lean air, try to do a high 540. I don't know, just figure out a bunch of tricks to try to do really high.
How about we do 7-foot kick with Mindy?
7-foot kickflip bendy.
Yeah. Highest kickflip indie.
If you do it first try, Aaron will...
I'll give you one of the 9 Jamba Juices, which I just earned.
What was that at?
That was that second one was over 6.
Never do that again.
It's hard to tell because the board's flipping. And
The first one or the second one?
Second one.
But he like flipped it, caught it, put it to his feet, and then like went
The lowest point of your board was like 6, 7.
6.5.
Yeah.
Bane's coming in with highest mute. Yeah.
I'm from the mosquito area.
And I'm over here just wishing I could air it all. You know what I'm saying?
That's it.
There it is.
That's fun. That felt cool. I hit the still.
What just happened?
I mean, the top of your board was over 7 feet.
Yeah.
It was like 7.5, and the bottom half of your board was like 6'8", and like maybe like 6'10".
Wow, I'm so close.
Honestly, if you do the kickflip Indy and then literally just yank the board a little higher.
Just go like this.
Yeah, literally just go and just.
JD, what are you gonna do?
Kickflip Indy.
Highest kickflip in.
Kickflip Indy.
That was it, AK. That was 7.
Wow. So basically he just did a kickflip Indy as high as his earlier highest air.
Yeah, from a few years ago, right? Aaron, we're gonna do highest 540 next.
Highest 540? Maybe give the kid a break, no?
He wants to.
I think that's what you'd said to me right before I rolled up and, never mind. Yeah! Let's go, Bane!
Alright, let's get it.
Okay.
That first one was boosted.
Really?
That first one was crazy high.
How high was the 540?
Almost 8 feet.
8?
The top of the board was almost an 8.
Do it again.
That smoke is smoke.
Fly, brother, fly.
Oh no!
That's a great name for it. Yep.
That was fun. What was that? What do you guys think? Leave a prediction. And I think I was close. Yeah, there we go.
Oh
Yeah, almost 9 feet.
So we got an 8.5 foot 540, 7 foot kickflip Indy, 10 foot air. Wow. Leave it in the comments below. I think you should do the run. So Justin Daniel Sanchez is working on his contest run. So he did the highest 540, he did the highest kickflip Indy, he did the highest air for him. And now we are going to see the run that he's working on. But I'm curious, what is the actual world record for the world's highest air? Leave it in the comments below. Who did it, how high was it, and when was it done?
Alright, let's try to get
Yeah.
first heat.
Yes. Yes.
Oh no!
Got it. Yes.
Oh! Dang! I had so much faith in him.
He literally had 3 tricks left and his run was over.
Okay, you got this.
And there's a full lake down there.
We're gonna give Justin Daniel Sanchez one more try to land his run. You know, in competition, you only get one try. Let's go.
Right here, brother.
Look at that. Yeah. Yep. That's it. Ah! There we go. There we go.
First try. Wow. 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 You nailed it.
Let's go.
So what did we do? 6 foot kickflip Indy. 7
Yeah,
foot?
Almost 7.
How high was the 540?
Like 8, I think?
8 foot 540. And then I think the air was a solid 10 feet.
Possibly, yeah.
Let's go.
Oh, I'm stoked on that.
So I think this is a solid 3 feet higher than you went at the Braille House. But do you think
Yeah.
you could go 10 feet at the Braille House?
I'm not sure. That's a good question.
Leave it in the comments below if you want him to do this at the Braille House or just see how much higher he can go on this ramp in another year.
That's a good idea. I think I could go really high.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll see you in the next one.